Here we go.
Are you ready?
Get ready.
Nah, you didn't hear me. Are you ready? You and God are about to go one-on-one.
Get ready.
I want to know, are you ready? God has had this appointment on his calendar since the beginning of time. Are you ready?
Get ready.
You were born for this. This is the generation. This is the moment.
Get ready.
This is the season where you're going to see God in a way you've never seen him before. He is about to empower you with his spirit.
Get ready.
He is about to overshadow you with his love. Are you ready? Are you ready to see miracles?
Here we go.
Are you ready to see signs and
Get
wonders?
ready.
Are you ready to see the power of God revealed in your life yourself? Are you ready? Turn off that cell phone. You've got to be ready. There's no time for a potty break. You've got to be ready.
Get ready.
There's no time to be sleepy or tired from what you've done today. Are you ready? When the clock strikes 0, I want you to give God a shout to remind him you're ready to have him overshadow you like he did Mary. Are you ready?
Get ready.
Here we go. Get ready. 10, 9,
Get ready.
8,
Get ready.
7, 6,
Get ready.